Hey guys, here we are to do the math lesson for Thursday, May 7th. So it's lesson 6-3. Medved is still here with me, so he wants to say hi. Okay, let's get started. One shelf has 24 books. The other shelf has 20 books. How many books are there in all? I want you to think about that in all to figure out what they are asking you to do, and then you're going to circle the correct answer, okay? Estimate the length of this bug in centimeters, and then we'll measure it. If you don't have a ruler, we'll just use mine. But we can all do the estimating beforehand. So I'm gonna say maybe about 3 centimeters, okay? Your estimate might be different than mine, but we'll check that when we go over the answers, okay? Write the time, okay? All I'm gonna tell you, hour hand, minute hand, okay? So think about where the hour hand's pointing. If it's not pointing exactly at a number, which number has it gone past but not got to the next number yet, and then figure out your minutes, okay? So give that one a try on your own. You buy a pen for 72 cents. You pay with $1. How much change do you get? I'm just gonna remind you that $1 is 100 cents, okay? So if you give them 100 cents, but you only needed to give them 72, how much will you get back? Okay, so give that one a try. We've been done a couple of these recently, so you should be able to figure that one out. Use your number line if you need to, or your number grid. Okay, we're gonna do this one together because it has been a long time since we've done an open number line, okay? Actually, no, we did one, I think, last week. Anyway, we'll still do it together. So use an open number line to show what you did. There were 42 ducks in a pond, then 21 more ducks joined them. How many ducks are there now, okay? So remember, for an open number line, we start at a number. I know that I had 40, there were 42 there to begin with, so that's what I'm gonna start with. Now, 21 more ducks joined them. Are we gonna be adding or subtracting? Well, if 21 more ducks came, we will be adding. Now, I can't just make one jump, okay? We wanna start. Can we make some jumps of 10? Yeah, when I see 21, I can. So I'm gonna make one jump of 10. We do jumps of 10 one at a time. And that would put me at 32. So I show my jump, I show that I'm adding 10, and I show that I'm at 32, okay? So, but that's only 10. I need to go 20. So I'm gonna do another jump of 10, and I was at 32. Now I'm sorry. I was not at 30, I was at 42. I should have been at 52. I was adding, not subtracting. Okay, so then I was at 52, so now I add another 10, and I'm gonna be at 62. Am I done though? No, I had to go 21. I've gone 10, 20, but I needed to go one more. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little jump of 1. I was at 62, now I will be at 63, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and write 63. There's the answer. Remember, you can do your jumps of 10s and then 1s, or you could do jumps of 10s, and then if you have a bigger number in the 1s, you could do a jump of 5 and then a smaller jump too. So anyway, I'm gonna have you pause the video to do the rest of your work, and we'll go over the answers in just a moment. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and go over the answers. So one shelf had 24, the other one had 20. How many in all? If I add my 10s, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 0 is, add my 1s is 4, so 44 books. So I estimated the length to be about 3 centimeters, and then when I use my ruler, I gotta go right from the very top all the way down to the tip. Well, you know what though? Now that I think about it, I gotta add those legs in there as well, because I was just measuring his body and I said, oh, well, it is about 3. Well, it's about 3.5, but it was closer to 3. But now that I think about it, with those legs in there, it's actually closer to 4. So I'm gonna change my answer that I wrote down here to 4, okay? So over here, we've got the time, okay? So when I look at my hour hand, I see that it's almost pointing exactly at the 12, but it's a little bit after. But I know that since it's so close to the 12 and it's a little bit after the 12, that 12 o'clock is my hour. Okay, then I need to look at my minutes. Each big number is 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, and that's it pointing exactly there. So it is 12:15. So you buy a pen for 72 cents, you pay with $1. How much change do you get back? So what I did is I drew the 72 cents that I paid with. So 25, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. And then what I did is I continued on. So I drew a line and then I said 70, because that's how much I paid. 73, 74, 75. And then I knew once I got to 75, one more quarter would get me up to $1, okay? So then the coins on this side of my line, these are the ones that I used that I got back. So then when I add those, I have 25, 26, 27, 28. So I get 28 cents back as change, okay? And then we did the open number line at the bottom together already. So these are your answers for math for Thursday, May 7th. Awesome job, everyone.